I will open one of my videos with the VLC application. Let's talk about... Let me pause it for now. Let's say you forget to add a watermark to your video after editing and you don't want to go back to your editing software. VLC can do this easily for you. Go to the top left-hand side and click on Tools, then Effects and Filter. If you are opening it for the first time, it will be on Audio Effects tab. Click on Video Effect, then click on Overlay. From here, check Add Logo, then click on the three dots. This will take you to the desktop or the folder where you have your logo. Locate it and double-click on the logo. It will appear immediately on your video. You can also change the positioning of your logo. Let me enter 50 pixels. You can see that it has shifted. Adjust it to the position you want on your video. You can also adjust the opacity of the logo. You can crop it and make some color adjustment as well. I'll go back to Overlay. You can also add text if you want. I will type in my channel name, Filio Aerodyne Concept. You can change the position of the text too. I'll place it at the bottom. Once you're done, you click Save. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, put them in the comment section. Bye for now.